mi amor. Huh? Ah. What color is the sky? Mi amor. Mi amor. Arepetipiti. Ay, amor. Ay, amor. What color is the sky? Mi amor. Mi amor. Mama. Mama. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Mama. Mama. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Hi, my Sunny Bun. Okay, Sunny Bunny is on day. What day are you on, Sunny? Saturday? Did we go Saturday night? Saturday? Sunday? Monday? Tuesday? Sunny's on day 3 of having his croup cough. He sounds better. He's just still very tired and fatigued. Wants to be in mommy's arms all the time. Doctor said not to let him cry because it makes the cough worse. Oh, Sunny Bunny. Oh, my Sunny. Ay, mi amor. Ay, mi amor. What color is the sky? Ay, mi amor. Ay, mi amor. Ay, mi amor. Ay, mi amor. What color is the sky? Ay, mi amor. Ay, mi amor. Ay, qué bonito, my shiny bunny. Look at the handsome little baby with his little feetsies and leggies. Ay, qué bonito. Oh. Mommy likes to make you smile. Especially when you don't feel good. I like to see you smile. Yeah. Hi. Hi, my Sunny Bun. What's up? Yeah. You're talking to the camera phone? Oh. That's your bottle. See? He just wants to rest. Oh, my Sunny. You wanna let my baby? Boo. Hello. Hello, my Johnny boy. Hi. Yeah. What's today's date, son? Today is, well, Christmas Eve is on the 24th. That's Sunday. So 24th, 23rd, 25th, 26th, wait. No, hold on. 24th, 23rd, and then Friday will be, 24th is Sunday, 23rd is Saturday, 22nd will be Friday, and 21, 20, 19. Today's December 19th. Hey, Jenny! Don't go on the phone! No, Jenny, Jenny! Jenny. Hey. Mister, you're gonna flip over. You love getting stuff out of this basket. You love making a mess for mommy. You love standing up on this rail.